Practice question on inequalities. Here we have a question on the screen. Look at the question, pause this video and try attempting the question by yourself. Also tell me what you think about the level of difficulty. I will be happy to see your comments in the comment box about the level of difficulty for this question. Apart from that, even if you have got any other doubt, I'm open to answer that. So please write that also in the comment box. Question is, which of the following values of x do not satisfy the inequality? Do not satisfy. See, we need to focus on do not satisfy this inequality. Well, quadratic inequality, we have covered this where in lecture number 5 of inequalities. Please go through that. You will understand that. You will be able to solve this question by yourself. You won't need my help. But as it is one of the past year question, let's solve and see how to attempt this. So we have learned that if quadratic expression that is x square minus 3x plus 2 more than 0, quadratic expression is more than 0, where a, which is coefficient of x square, is positive. In that case, what satisfies this inequality is the values which are beyond the roots, less than the smaller root and more than the greater root. This is what we have learned in lecture number 5 of quadratic inequality. Okay, lecture number 5 of inequality, that's quadratic inequality. Please go through that. So using that information, if I try to attempt the question here, अच्छा चलो मैं बता देता हूँ यार, ये तो नाराज हो जाओगे तुम लोग. देखो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था, अगर याद आ रहा है तो. केस 1, if the expression is more than 0, then x is greater than greater root or smaller than smaller root. Yeah, we have discussed this. Okay, so keeping this in mind, here this quadratic expression is more than 0. So सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, let's identify the roots. So roots कैसे identify करते हैं, उसका भी shortcut हम लोगों ने सीखा है. Roots identify करने का भी shortcut हम लोगों ने सीखा है in quadratic equation. So to find roots, I say that this is equal to 0. In that case, here we divide this constant into two parts such that the product is same and what is the sign here? Plus. Their addition should be equal to -3. So here I can say -2 minus 1 is equal to -3. Yeah. Same signs get added. So -2 minus 1 is -3. Okay. तो ये possible है. अभी you have identified these two numbers, -2 and -1. So what are the roots? In that case? Roots will be 1 and 2. Roots will be what? 1 and 2. This is by shortcut. This is by using shortcut to solve quadratic equation. Please इसके लिए आप quadratic equation का chapter go through करना. वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने सीखा था कि shortcut से कैसे हम लोग simplify करते हैं. Okay. Factorization. Yeah. Go through that. Okay. Come back to this question. So you got the roots now. 1 is definitely smaller root and 2 is definitely greater root. So value of x which satisfy the equation here, it should be x less than smaller root or x more than greater root. This is what will satisfy. So what will not satisfy? For this part, x is more than equal to 1. See here, यहाँ पे equal to भी नहीं है ना. So even equal to will also not satisfy. So ये हम लोगों ने लिखा, these values will satisfy. Okay. Now we want to write what do not satisfy. So that will be x more than equal to 1, and instead of or we'll use and x is less than equal to 2. सो कंबाइन करके क्या बन जाएगा, x is more than equal to 1, less than equal to 2. This is what will not satisfy. This do not satisfy. These values do not satisfy. Do we have this in the option? Yes, we have this in the option. X more than equal to 1, less than equal to 2. This is your answer. It's pretty easy. It's just that I'm using two concepts to simplify. One is quadratic inequality and second is solving the quadratic equation with shortcut, because ये बहुत easy equation है. Factorization करके ज़्यादा steps मत बढ़ाओ. I know shortcuts are difficult to grasp initially, but once you get it, then things will be faster. Okay. Level of difficulty definitely easy यार, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. No, that's not because I'm finding it easy. लॉजिक लगा के देखो, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं, कैलकुलेशन किया नहीं है, 2 बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट लगाए हैं. मैंने बहुत स्टेप्स बहुत इलैबोरेट करके लिखा है. अगर आप लोग उसको सॉल्व करोगे so you may get the answer within 2 or 3 steps itself. Okay, so that's the answer. This is the level of difficulty. Let's see the next question now.